I don't care who you are. I don't care how stylish you think you are. And I don't care if the stylist from YouTube or TikTok told you to wear this stuff. I'm telling you not to wear this stuff. Let's hop into it. Number one is buying super expensive stuff with no quality. Look, it's a waste of money and it's just for the flex. And I'm going to be honest with you. Some expensive brands are worth the extra money just because of the quality and longevity you're gonna have from that product. But you need to understand, I am in the clothing industry. I design clothes for a living. I have talked to almost every mill and manufacturer out there. I also know which manufacturers most designer brands use, and a lot of them actually white label their stuff. In other words, what they're doing is copy paste. They'll find a piece, they'll literally just put their brand name on it, and then they'll just sell it out at a 500% hike. This is why I'm telling you, don't buy it. Number two, buying trendy just because. I don't want you to bandwagon, bro. Not only are you gonna look like a follower, I want you to wear stuff that you actually like to wear, not that you're wearing it against your will just because it's trendy. See, I would much rather you try a trend, see how it makes you feel. Do you feel confident? You feel good? You think it works with your aesthetic and lifestyle? If it does, boom, good. Wear the hell out of that. But if you feel uncomfortable, don't just wear it just because it's trendy. This is why it's almost always great to revert back to your basics, to your essentials. See, because once you have your basics covered, it doesn't matter what else you try on, you always know you can revert back to what always looks good. And that's my mission with essentials. See, with our brand Essentials, which shoot, I'm wearing right now, I design basics that I want to make sure that make you look good always, today, next year, and 3 years from now. This is why you'll always catch me wearing Essentials, bro. Well, the problem is that we're always sold out. Like this crew neck, which is ultra clean, we've been sold out on this crew neck since this November, December, I don't know. We've been wiped out. This heavyweight collection has been some of our best-selling one yet, but we're doing a restock. Boys, this March 12th, we're restocking our heavyweights, bringing in new colors and new designs. We have new sweats, which look sick, bro. They have a cinch at the bottom. You can get that open classic look if you want. We also have our new half zip heavyweight, which, bro, tell me this doesn't look sick as a sweatsuit or as separates. And then on top of that, we have new t-shirts, new colors, new women's pieces, and that's not all. We're doing the largest giveaway we've ever done. Come with me, come with me. It just pulled up. Think I'm lying. I made that call, that thing pulled up. Bro, I'm a car dude. I'm not gonna give you just any random Tesla. I'm gonna give you the nicest Tesla I could find. This is the Model 3 we're giving away for this Essentials launch. By the way, I'm wearing the half zip right now. Look how clean this looks. This March 12th, boys, for every item you buy is one entry to pick up this Tesla. Bro, just look at how sexy this interior is. So you got the key, you put it in here, you're ready to go. Bro, you have everything you want on this. This is like a big tablet. All sorts of entertainment, Netflix, Hulu, Disney. You're with your chick. You probably got a chick now because you're looking drippy in Essentials. You were able to secure the bag. And now you got a Tesla to drive around with her in. Bro, like, I'm trying to level up every single aspect of your life at this point. All I'm saying is that March 12th, 10 a.m. Eastern, is probably going to be the collection for Essentials you don't want to miss. It's the cleanest one we've done. And this is the largest giveaway we've done. Bro, a Tesla. Who else is gifting you a Tesla this nice, bro? Bro, that's a 50K car. You're gonna look drippy and be driving around drippy, and then on top of that, everybody wins. We're doing a cash giveaway. See, on top of all of that, anybody that orders between Friday and Sunday, we're putting cash in your order. That could be $1 or $100. We're just gonna be throwing cash left and right. On top of one lucky winner will be winning that car. Boys, put a reminder on your phone. I don't want you to get there at 10 a.m. I want you to get there at 9:50 a.m. this March 12th, because I'm telling you, this stuff is going to fly. I want to put things into perspective for you. There's some customers that without a giveaway, they'll buy 20, 30, 60 pieces at one hit. Can you imagine what's about to happen right now with this? Bro, you need to be there early. And if that weren't enough, for the first time ever, we're doing free shipping and free returns if you live in the US. Yo, put that reminder on your phone. I'm telling you, this is the one you don't want to miss. Number 3, if the piece destroys your confidence. Look, if there's anything in your wardrobe that every time you wear it, you just feel uncomfortable, it makes you just unconfident and almost like insecure, like you just don't feel yourself, I want you to throw that piece away. No, don't throw it away. Donate it or sell it. I don't care, but you should not wear that piece. Anything that lowers your confidence, out of your wardrobe. It just doesn't work with you, and you, for whatever reason, know you don't feel good in it, so it should go. Number 4, it's just not functional. See, the main purpose of clothing, on top of making you look good, making you feel attractive, making you feel confident, is functionality. It's its utilitarian purpose. And you need to look at both your lifestyle and the weather. So for example, here in New York, yeah, I use puffers left and right. I need puffer jackets. They make sense. Back when I was in Florida, I would never buy those because it was always crazy hot. So it just wasn't functional and it was a big waste of money. So when you take account of weather, you'll know there's certain pieces you should just not wear because you'll be wasting your money. And then you take account functionality and look into your lifestyle. For example, if the position you have never requires you to wear a suit, like that is taboo. Nobody is wearing suits, but you wear suits all the time, again, waste of money because you'll probably never wear that piece, nor do you have to. The fifth thing you should never wear are colors that don't match. On two aspects. See, a lot of times, most of you be walking out here looking like street lights, mixing and matching colors that are clashing mad hard, and it's like an eyesore. You need to understand there's certain colors that don't go well with other colors. You need to understand color theory. I have a whole video on that you can watch. Moreover, you need to understand your skin tone color. See, there are certain colors that will always make my skin tone look better than another dude's skin tone. When you start understanding your skin tone that, oh, for example, I'm a darker skinned dude. I know there's certain colors that just make my skin pop. It makes it vibrant. It almost adds saturation. Those are the colors I want to wear. I don't want to wear the colors that make me look dull or pale or remove some of that color. That's what you got to be looking at as well. And finally, number 6, wearing outdated trends. You need to understand, there are some pieces that were in style, but now they're fading out. See, style works in cycles. And now, bro, for the last 2 decades, we've all been wearing the same skinny jeans, Chelsea boots, bomber jacket, flannel, skinny tight lapel suits. Yo, we've been wearing this for the last 20 years, you know? So it's most of this stuff is already fading out and new styles are starting to come in. I'm not telling you to get rid of this stuff. I'm not even telling you to stop wearing it. What I am telling you is to be receptive of the new stuff that's coming in that will most likely dominate the next 10 to 20 years. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, March 12th, it is our largest essential launch, and we're giving away a Tesla. Bro, what? That's crazy. I'm out.